Filling the airbag of the REESE Goose Box is an important step as it gives you the best, most comfortable ride and top towing performance. To begin, couple the truck and trailer. Then locate the inflation valve on top of the Goose Box and unscrew the cap, placing it safely aside. Attach your air tank or compressor to the end of the air valve and begin filling the airbag. Look on the side of the Goose Box and you'll see a small window in the REESE badge. This window lets you view an air pressure indicator to easily see how the airbag is inflating inside the Goose Box. When you see the indicator line is in the center of the REESE badge window, the airbag is at the ideal fill rate. Once the airbag is filled to your liking, remove the nozzle from the Goose Box fill valve and carefully replace the screw cap. We at REESE know that each driver and towing setup travel differently, which is why the Goose Box is designed so that you can adjust the amount of airbag inflation to customize your ride, based on your personal towing preferences. The easy-to-fill airbag system in the REESE Goose Box gives you the best, most comfortable ride while towing. For more information on this and other great products from REESE, visit REESEproducts.com.